Carpet Materials Guide. What kind of carpet should you choose? There are several different types of materials used in carpets, and each has its own benefits and drawbacks. Carpet comes in a variety of textures, colors, and styles, so it's important to find the right one for your home. What materials are used to make a carpet? Silk. Silk is a material more often used for rugs, rather than carpet, primarily because silk is an expensive material. Not only are they strikingly lovely works of art, but because of their thinness and surprisingly pliability, they're also amazingly comfortable underfoot. Wool. Among the most high-end carpet materials available is wool. It's available in a variety of hues, and provides a soft, long-lasting floor covering that can complement any decor. Wool is a natural resource that makes wool carpets an environmentally friendly alternative. Nevertheless, it isn't as stain-resistant as other materials. A wool nylon carpet can also be more lasting, resist stains better, and be less expensive to purchase than one made solely of wool. Wool carpet is one of the oldest and most traditional styles available in the USA. Nylon. Nylon is a hardy fabric that is resistant to wear and dirt. Nylon carpeting is a wonderful choice for rooms where heavy furnishings are placed, or objects that will not be moved for an extended period of time. Nylon carpet is antimicrobial, stain-resistant, and moisture-repellent. It is an excellent choice for homes, schools, and hospitals as it is antibacterial during production. Olefin or polypropylene. Olefin is a versatile carpet material that is both easy to clean and stain-resistant, with little indication of wear over time. Olefin may be colored in a variety of hues, just like nylon, but it also prevents static electricity from accumulating. Many Berber carpets are made of olefin. Polyester. Though polyester carpet is soft and exquisite to the touch, it does not endure as long as other carpets. Over time, pile-on polyester carpets flatten down. Polyester is a man-made fiber that's composed of petroleum derivatives. Because it's a chemical, it has superior stain resistance and durability than wool carpet or other natural fibers. It may not be ideal for high-traffic areas in your house. Polyester is commonly used in clothing and upholstery, but it also has several advantages as a carpet fiber. Acrylic. A 100% acrylic carpet is rare, yet it is a material that may be found in a number of other carpets. It's frequently combined with wool to offer a less expensive option than an entirely wool carpet. Acrylic performs very well in this regard, since it also has moisture and fades resistance. Natural fiber carpets. Carpets made from natural fibers have become increasingly popular in recent years, but special attention should be paid to ensure that the carpet is suitable for the space and those who will use it. What is the most common carpet material? The most frequently used carpet fiber in homes today is nylon. Many people believe it to be the best all-around carpet fiber because it is so durable. It's relatively low-cost, less pricey than wool, but more costly than other synthetic fabrics. These carpets, when properly maintained, can last 12 to 15 years, making them the most long-lasting of synthetic fibers. What is a high-quality carpet? The decision of what constitutes a high-quality carpet depends on the buyer's needs and preferences. It also depends on many factors. Fiber. The highest quality carpets are frequently made of wool. It's long-lasting, crush-resistant, and has a luxurious look and feel to it. However, it stains easily and fades in the sun. Nylon is a high-quality synthetic fiber that is frequently used as the basis for brand name or proprietary fibers. It withstands heavy foot traffic well, and it is simple to maintain. Twist. The amount of twists per inch varies according to quality, ranging from 2.5 in low-quality carpet to 6 in finest carpets. The twist is usually presented as a single figure by the manufacturer. Anything with more than 4 twists per inch is regarded high quality. Density. Density is a measure of how densely the fibers are packed together. Because of their dense thickness, high-quality carpets are difficult to move the fibers far enough apart to view the backing. The density of a carpet is also represented as a number, and anything above 3,000 is excellent quality, with some top carpets reaching 7,000 or more. Face weight. In a square yard of carpet, the face weight is the amount of grams of fiber. The better carpets have higher weights. The pile length has an impact on the face weight. Extra long fibers, such as in shag carpeting, will weigh more than short ones, like in Berber. Taking this into account, high-quality carpet with average length fibers should have a face weight of at least 35 ounces. What are the best carpets made of? The best carpet for your home will depend on your budget and lifestyle. If you have pets or small children, a carpet made of stain-resistant synthetic fiber may be the best choice. For a more elegant look, wool or silk carpets may be the way to go. Regardless of which material you choose, be sure to select a carpet that is durable and easy to clean. What is the most popular carpet material? The most popular carpet material is nylon, which is known for its strength and stain resistance. Other popular materials include polyester and olefin, which are also durable and resistant to stains. What is the most durable carpet fiber? The most durable carpet fiber is nylon. It is also easy to clean and maintain. Other carpet fibers, such as polyester and olefin, are also fairly durable, but they are not as tough as nylon. As a result, they may show signs of wear and tear sooner than nylon carpeting. No matter what type of material you choose, we, at Go Carpet Cleaning, can help keep them looking their best with our professional carpet cleaning services. Contact us today to schedule a free consultation. Visit our website www.gocarpetcleaningatlantic.com/carpet-materials-guide/ or call us at 678-818-5698.